Yeah, she did like a little drop thing. My back door, I mean well, technically the front door wants to keep opening by itself. I'm gonna hold the close button, or if not, she just opens. Is she still dropping? I felt like she dropped a little bit, right?
Like right now, it seems like a little.
Yeah. To get us down to the ground somewhere.
Alright, even if the doors would open.
Door keeps trying to open.
Because it ain't hot in this.
Yeah, if I let go of the door close button, she tries to open on her own.
Can we smoke in here?
No. I wish the first thing I said was my weed in the car, bro. She keeps doing these like slow drops.
Yeah. Is that Steve?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now I got no power here. But I got power here. Alright, so I lost power to the computer, but I still have lights. Okay. Fuck my life. Siéntense, tienen sillas y todo. Might as well. Story time. Save the knees, man. Las rodillas no se pueden ir a reemplazar en Home Depot.
Oh shit.
You're staying up for like 5 hours.
Okay, you got it. This is how I feel for 10 hours a day, so fuck you guys. I don't care.
No, but you
10 hours.
but then people calling you and shit.
Alright. As soon as I turned her on, the back door tried to open. No te podemos buscar, estamos trabajando en el elevador.
They're still there next 30 minutes.
Yeah, banging.
Yeah.
Come on, are you done yet? Like, no, bro, what's wrong with you fucking guys, bro?
Yeah.
She did that shit again. This fucking sucks. Take that Whoa. Now she won't even close.
The door just keeps trying to open.
Yes, sir. I can't get her to close either.
How far open are they going?
Maybe about 6 to 8 inches.
Can't force them open after that to get out.
Oh no, we're in between. Oh, hold on, let me see.
Like 2 inches. No, it's
No,
like,
I can't do anything here.
It's like 2 inches.
Same time, I'm gonna have to go find the elevator guys.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, and even if it did open, there's something back there.
Yeah, it's like a secondary door or something.
Yeah.
She knows the shit.
There's nothing in the way of the door.
No, sir.
Are the sensors clean? Like going up and down each side of the door?
It looks clean.
Yeah, it looks fairly clean to me.
Have them pop it back open.
It's not gonna open.
No, it's not opening, man.
But the doors are trying to close and it opens back up, right?
No. The doors, like, when they're completely closed, and then they just try to open, like just for no reason. We were moving, the doors were closed the whole time. There's no door on the other side, on this side. It's trying to open on the blank wall.
maintenance operator. Man.
Yeah.
Can we try to open that one?
Oh shit.
We just got the regular door open to get out, so we can get out of the elevator on the 3rd floor.